So we are back once again, everyone, and we are going excuse me, we are going to do another Diecast daily video. So can you guess what car this is? Clue right there. Yeah, we're gonna do another Porsche video here, this time from Hot Wheels. This is the Porsche Panamera SE Hybrid Turbo Turismo. This is a new one for this year, part of the Hot Wheels Green Speed series, number 2 out of 5 cars in the series, and number 220 out of 250 cars. So again, released this year. So pretty cool art card here. And this car here, this casting, I love. I mean, I really don't like the Porsche Panamera too much, but this one, this specific casting here, this specific model for this case is just awesome. Check this one out, guys. So this one is in gray. Yeah, pretty straightforward paint here. Not much decos, no sponsors on the side, no flames whatsoever, but they detailed the front here and the back. So check out the front. Yeah, painted headlights. They also have the Porsche logo right there, which is kind of neat. So at the back here, check this one out. Painted the tail lights, has the Porsche logo right there, and the Hot Wheels logo on the plate number. So I don't know what these rim designs are called, and I think this is a new one for Hot Wheels this year. I'm not really 100% sure, but yeah, first time I've seen or remember seeing this rim style for this year, and pretty neat overall. The base here, not much details though, no suspension details and exhaust details except for this one. So this is a dual exhaust car, and yeah, no details on the suspension, but overall really sick looking main line here from Hot Wheels. This is the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sports Turismo. Whew, one of the longest named cars out there. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe to our channel, Best Ever Toy TV, for more videos to come. And please click the bell icon to get notified if I upload videos. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one, and again, subscribe, watch our other videos. If you can, don't skip the ads because it will help the channel grow. And bye bye guys, see you soon. Bye bye.